Hello, my name is Csenge from Hungary and today we are going to make the Hungarian traditional food, goulash.
Put a big onion chopped in small dices in the hot pot with some oil and cook it till it's soft. Put 2 teaspoons of paprika and 1 teaspoon of pepper in the roasted onion and mix it well. After the mixture looks like this, put the diced pork and roast it. When the pork got some color, put the carrot and turnip in and mix it well. This is around 2 medium carrots and 2 small turnip. After stirring, add water until it covers the meat and vegetables. Just like this. After, put the lid on and make sure you leave the spoon there so the soup won't come out. When the meat and veggies are soft, put the diced potato in it. It's around 2 kilograms of potato. Put 2 teaspoons of salt and mix it. While the soup is cooking, chop some parsley in small pieces. That will give the soup some fresh taste. Put it in and mix it. When the soup finished, the spoon should stand in the pot. After some boiling, you can get a bowl of goulash. Just another quick test. Garnish it with parsley and you can enjoy your Hungarian goulash.